is Eylin Alfonso. I have been in the company for 7 months already. I do the safety specialist position. I was looking for some career growth opportunities. I felt stuck. I didn't have any opportunity to grow at the company at the moment, and I knew that I had the skills to do so. So that's the reason why, even though I was treated well, I felt like I needed to do something more for me. And I was ready for the next challenge. And that's what made me actually get the final decision of taking the risk, interviewing, and then coming to SRC. I was actually just scrolling to Indeed, and I just saw an ad for a job opening. And when I noticed it matches my skills, and that's how I actually applied. I just saw the passion that people felt, and the passion that they had when they talk about the company, that got me in. As well, when I was walking to the floor, I noticed the environment, people did not look to be mad, or it was very welcoming. So that makes me feel like, oh, this might be the place for me. So far, I can honestly say this is the best company that I work for, and I always said that. Everybody that always asked me about it, I always tell them the same thing. I'm very, very glad that I actually took the chance to do it. I'm glad I switched to Super.